I was just on another planet.
What's going on YouTube right now? At the zoo right now called the Lehigh Valley Zoo. Me and the family. Look at the wifey right there. Look at the baby Layla right there. Look at my baby Layla right there. First check off, I had this penguin. We had the penguin facility. Turn it around. We had the penguin facility, y'all. See the penguins in the water? So I zoom in on that. You went underwater? Yeah.
There's one over here.
You got some right here. Penguins.
And one over there.
I see one on the rock right there. Here go penguin right here under the water swimming, you guys.
There's a bird on there.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
I'm just gonna jump over there and swim with them.
Viewing the penguins right now. Awesome right now, you guys. Lehigh Valley Zoo. Look, the penguin still under the water. See it? Swimming all up under the water. Black spot. Look at him. That's awesome right there.
It's like, where's the snacks?
Philadelphia Zoo ain't got that. Ain't got the penguin. That's awesome, you guys. Look at the family. My babies, wifey. Oh, look at this guy right here.
You want to take a picture?
Y'all see him do the dizzy. Get it.
Take a picture with the turtle. Go ahead, take a picture.
This hey. Awesome. How you doing?
You did it.
All right. Now let's go to something else, you guys. Be back shortly. Awesome.
Look at him walking over to us.
Awesome. You want to come over here with us? Hey, little guy.
Where's my food? At 3 o'clock.
Gorgeous penguin right there, you guys. Hit that like and subscribe button for letting y'all see what it do. Alright, right now we in line waiting to get into the reptile amphibian sanctuary. So hopefully we get in there in the next 2 minutes. So we waiting.
I like alligators.
Waiting to get in this joint. Waiting to get in there.
For years.
So hopefully we'll be in there in a couple minutes. Alright, let's go. Alright, here inside the reptile situation. And let's see, the first thing we're going to walk into. There you go, gotta focus it. No, that's not a blue, that's a monkey tail skink. A monkey tail, what is it? A monkey tail skink, yeah. Salamander. They said it's a salamander island skink. You see the tail on there? That's a monkey tail skink though, I think. They said it's solid. This what it is though. That's what they got it as. Salamander island skink. But they're like a monkey tail skink, right? Let me know if I'm wrong though, you guys. But okay. That's what they have. They have 2 of those on there. That's awesome. On to the next. Alright. Next thing is what's this in here?
I saw it.
What's in here?
It's supposed to be a tiger salamander.
Tiger salamander. Oh, here we go. You got it. There you go. Tiger salamander. That John huge. He look like a little. Yeah, he huge. Tiger salamander in here, huge. Alright, what's in here? Oh, this the what's called Acolada. I forgot. I want one of these though. I forgot how to say their name. Where is that? I know they oxa. No, I forgot. I forgot what they call it. I forgot how to pronounce it. There you go. I see it right there in the back. You guys see it? I want one of them. I know somebody that got some of them. A couple of them. They about to start breeding them. They said they hard to breed. Oh yeah, that's it. What's in here? What's in here? Some more eastern salamanders or something. That's it right there in the tube. Yeah, look at that John in the tube, y'all. That John huge. How long that John is? That John funny looking. He blend right into the rocks though that's in there. Like these little rocks in there. You would not know that's him. He blend right in. He's sitting inside that log. What you see, a snake, boo? Where you see a snake at? Ooh, that look like an eastern diamondback. What's that? A northern copperhead. Oh no, that might be a timber rattlesnake. That's a timber rattlesnake. There you go.
The head looks weird.
That's a timber. He in shad. I think he in shad probably. It might not be, I doubt it. That's a rattlesnake. We got a copperhead right here. There's two of them. There's a black one in there. Looks like a racing snake. Oh, that's a rat snake.
Wait, what? What's in there?
The eastern rat snake. And they got a northern copperhead.
Oh, I didn't see
same
that.
tank together.
I didn't see
It's
that.
cool because they found in the same environments.
On the hill, over there. Left.
The eastern rat snake found in the same environment as the copperhead, so they'd be cool together.
We saw also something.
Pretty sure.
We saw a black and yellow and like an
Yeah,
orange.
move over here. There you go, right here, the lizard.
Here.
There's a chuckwalla. That's the chuckwalla right there, y'all. Do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe button. Don't forget,
It's
hit
okay.
that like and subscribe button for me.
Okay.
What's down here? Oh, I see it's back there. That's the Gila Monster right there. This right here was in there. The Gila Monster. He's back there. You guys see the tail right there? He's back there. That's the Gila Monster. What's gonna go in the next tank over here? We got some poison dart frogs somewhere in there. Where they at? They tiny. Oh, I see them. They real little tiny one right there. Let me see if I can zoom in. You guys see the little tiny one right there. And there's another one where?
There, from here.
Right there?
Yeah.
Wait, let me see.
And it's in there, you guys. That's it right there.
It's so small.
That's it right there.
Wait.
So tiny you can't see it.
Oh,
on the
there's a
phone.
blue one down there.
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. The blue one right there. He just jumped down.
I saw.
You can see him a little bit through the glass, you guys, right there.
And the green one down there. It's a green one.
Oh yeah, that's a nice green one, you guys. You see? Oh yeah, that's on the camera clear.
Right there's a
There's
green
another one
one.
somewhere closer.
Green,
There's
black
two
one.
green ones. Oh,
I'm saying I'm right over
green
top
one.
of this one, like I'm right there. Look, this one right in the camera. I don't even see it this clear right here in front of me
It's
though.
right there. I see it.
No, that ain't the one. There's another one up there though. That's a different one. That's two of them. See, they both in the.
I see 2 dogs.
And there's the one that's right there next to
You
it.
want another one? Oh yeah, I see it.
One near
There's
the.
another blue one right here.
Where?
Oh yeah, right.
Oh, now they mating now. Because the two blue ones mating.
And yeah.
They're in there. I gotta clean the glass some, but they're in there. Let's go check something else out.
It's over there.
Come on, Mama.
Come on, Mama. What's over here? Oh, this a dusky. Oh, let me clear it up. That's what's in there, you guys. Whatever that say. They ain't focusing though, you know. Here we go. Y'all see it. Yep. Oh, here go a Mata turtle. Mata. Okay, here come boots. There you go right there, Mata. I like Mata. I think I want one. I think Miguel got one from Otters Dog Python. I'm not sure. I think he do. Mata. And I think Brian Barchek got one.
Well, Daddy.
Like Mata. Okay, what you need to show me over here? Oh, there you go. That's Brian Barchek just showed this today in his video. He just bought 2 of these today.
Look at how.
And showed in his video. These are green tree monitors. Yeah, see, look, green tree monitor right there. Brian Barchek put these in his video. Just put these in his video.
It also has a frog.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So when we go to the Reptarian, we'll see that too, you guys.
Let's clean up.
That's nice right there. You come up to the glass.
It's trying to come up.
That's cool. I might gotta get me one of those right there, green tree monitor now.
Especially they come up to the ground.
Yeah, I might gotta buy me one of those now, you guys. No, they don't bite. They nice. You can train them. That's cool. He wanna come home with us right there. He wanna come home. He like y'all. All right. Now let's head somewhere else. Time to go see something else, you guys. All right. That's the end of the reptile amphibians sanctuary over here in Lehigh Zoo. On to something different. See you guys in a second. All right, so now we're about to head down to the Otters, you guys. Let's see what these Otters. Blake got an otter over there at Blake's Animal Exotic Ranch. Y'all don't check his channel out, go check his channel out. That's a channel that I watch all the time. Look at my baby taking their pictures. Ooh. Well, here's the Otters. We're about to go down here and check these Otters out, you guys.
No, that's a bird.
That's a otter right there.
Where?
Right there at the top, see it?
It's big.
Yeah, that's a big one right there. That's what you won't be able to see it through the glass over there. Go ahead, you want to leave it and go. That's how you see it through the glass. He right here. I want him to come back this. He coming back this way, y'all. He right here. 2 of them.
2 of them.
These are otters, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I think I want one of those too. Blake got me one of those too. Yeah, that's cool right there. Tell me that's not cool, y'all. That's cool. A woman come swim over here in the water. They went over there somewhere. Oh, they went in the water on the other side. Yeah, they over there. I can't. Yeah, I had to walk around. Let's walk around. I see the kids. We're gonna walk around, you guys. See if we catch the otters in the act of in the water. Look at the duck that's sitting here, floating. Is he real? Is that real? Is he alive? That's a toy. That ain't real. I thought it was real. Oh, there was the otter up there. And here's one swimming in the water. That's cool. I think I want an otter now. Whoa, backflips. There he is. That's cool. I want to go swimming with the otters. I want to go swimming with the otters now. Got one still over here playing around. Look. Huh? Okay. Grab a potty.
I just saw Tommy. Oh, Tommy's right there.
That is so cool, guys. River otters. Tell me that ain't cool.
Tommy!
Tell me that ain't cool.
Booty, look down.
Whoa. Here you go. Whoa. That one like to jump off the wall.
Look at this one, Tom.
Look at my guy right here. That was awesome. That's awesome.
Where's Tommy at?
They can do this all day, you
Oh,
guys.
Tommy's right there.
But let's go to the next sanctuary.
In a duck.
Bye-bye. Hi. Hello. What's your name? What's your name? Bye-bye.
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 I said bye-bye.
Hi.
Bye-bye. Y'all heard him. Bye-bye.